This video shows how to operate the Fridge Defend. This video supplements the written manuals the user is required to download the installation, user, and troubleshooting manuals. When the Fridge Defend by ARP is powered up, the unit will turn on immediately. If your RV has a master power switch, the ARP will turn on as soon as it sees power. A display check is followed by ARP shown on the screen. The control goes through a series of internal checks. If any errors are detected, they will be displayed. The center dot will flash every 2 seconds, telling the operator that the control is running. We will now demonstrate how to turn off the ARP. Hold down the on-off button and O, then OF, then OFF will march across the screen. Remove your finger from the button after the screen goes blank. Please note that no dot will flash on the screen when the control is off. To turn back on the control, momentarily push the on-off button. Display check, ARP, then flash of dot. We will start by demonstrating the display button functions. Hold your finger on the display button. The first value displayed is the boiler temperature. The boiler temperature for this example is 183. The boiler temperature can be a very powerful troubleshooting feature. See the troubleshooting guide for more details. If you have a fan control, hold your finger on the display button until the fan sensor temperature is displayed. On the version 4 controls, the next value that is displayed is the voltage seen on the yellow wire sending power to the fridge. In this video, the green LED is powered from the ARP yellow wire. This simulates the fridge. To turn off the display, hold your finger on the display button until the center dot resumes flashing. Then, the button may be released. Next, we will show the setup button functions. The setup button is used to test the control when in the ARP control mode. Hold your finger on the setup button until off is displayed. Go into the RV and check to make sure that the refrigerator is turned off. Note that the green LED is off. For a fan controller, hold your finger on the setup button again to test the fan and turn the fridge back on. We used one of our small fridge defrost blower fans to demonstrate the fan running. These two tests confirm the proper wiring of the Fridge Defend. The final test is the controller self-test. Hold your finger on the setup button again. TST will display. The control will go through a series of internal tests. When the tests pass, PAS will be displayed. To resume protection of your fridge, hold your finger on the setup button until the center dot resumes flashing. This concludes the demonstration of the Fridge Defend ARP control button functions.